We're going to be using the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance of line segment AB. Again, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance of line segment AB. So the Pythagorean theorem is stated by a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if we were to look at it, this c is this distance of this line. The A is the distance from the horizontal distance from A to B. And the B is the vertical, is the vertical distance between A and B. So typically when you use the Pythagorean theorem, you're most likely given a graph or a polygon of some sort. So the best way to do this is you can just skip count. So the best way to skip count is you put your pen on where you start. You don't count where you start. You're sitting right now. That means you're not moving. Same with this point. It's sitting, it's not moving. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the distance there is 5. It's 5. So our A here, let me just highlight that. Our A here is 5. Remember, it's a distance. That's 5 units. We're not going to write the units since we don't want to have too much clutter, but that means it's 5 units. Again, we can't have a negative. So now we start at where we ended. So from here, that's a 0. We just go up 1. So that'll be 1 unit. So we have everything we need. We can see right away. We go 5 units, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 1. So 5 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. 5 times 5 gives us 25. 1 times 1, 1 equals c squared. So right here, we get 26 is equal to c squared. We have to get c by itself because we want to get that slanted distance. So the inverse of a square is a square root. Square root both sides. This cancels, that cancels. We're left with c is equal to the square root of 26. We can say it's 26. Square root 26 is an exact answer. Break it down using a factor tree. This one it won't work because it breaks down. 26 breaks down to 2 and 13. It's biprimodal, I think is the word. So 2 and 13 both primed, so we can't break that number down. Or you can just get your handy dandy calculator and figure out what c, aka the distance, is. So c here would be 26 square rooted. I'll give you about 5 points, let's just say 5.10, round to the nearest hundredth. There you have it. That is how we can use Pythagorean theorem.